Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to Verizon shop. Like here we have several phone companies. We have Verizon, we have T-Mobile, which is very popular, we have At&t, we have Cricket, and we have several others, but I chose the Verizon when I came because the person that sold to me at Walmart was using Verizon. So I was like, okay, let me just go with Verizon. So I tried to recharge my phone online, but it didn't work. I couldn't do it, and the deadline came and my line was cut off, so I have to go to the shop to try and rectify it. Actually, I've been to the shop the day before today, so I'm not even happy that I'm going again. I've spent money, I went to the shop, I paid for the line, but it was not done. I don't know how to explain. They didn't fix the problem, so my line was still cut off and I couldn't make calls, I couldn't receive calls, I couldn't send text messages, mobile data. I couldn't even use anything, so I had to go back to the shop again. And I spoke with the guy, and well, he was able to help me out, and honestly, at the end of it all, I must say he did a good job. I think his name is Edwards. Yeah, Edwards at the Verizon shop. And I want to say a very big thank you to him and to their customer service unit, because he had to call the customer service unit and they were able to fix the problem and get me back online. And I could now receive calls, make calls, and all that. So after that, I'm sure you would enjoy this video, so let me allow you to enjoy it, guys. Hi guys, so we finished from the Verizon office and they were able to help me with the phone. Long process, but thank God my phone is back up. So right now I'm heading towards Ross just to see what they have and all that. Yeah, Samuel from Samuel's World is with me. Yay! So right here we have Target. I don't know if you guys can see. We have Target, and not too far from it is Ross. So we're going to Ross. Let's go, Sammy.
Let's go.
Let's go.
And I want to pick that one.
No, that's not for where we're going to. That's not for. Okay, we just want to check if we can get an SD card in Target, because at the Verizon shop, the SD card was 64 gig was going for $40 something, so I think $45 and some change, and the 128 GB was going for $70 and some change. So we just want to check in Target if we can get something cheaper. So let's go.
Let's go. Let's see what's inside the shop.
Everything's unfolding as it should.
My button.
I would be more grateful.
Okay. The one for phone,
Yeah, it'll work.
Oh.
It's just cameras use it as a standard thing.
Oh, okay,
so-
okay. Oh, thank you very much.
No worries. Let me know if you need
So
anything
I could
else.
use it for any phone, right?
Yeah, you can use it for phones.
Okay.
These are the size you're gonna want with the phones, though. You want the ones with the little ones.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
No worries. Let me know if you need anything else.
Okay.
What is that?
It's a camera. Oh.
Can you take a picture of me?
This camera can take a picture, yes, except you put it on. So let's see which SD card are we going to buy. There is 64G 1899. There is 32GB 1699.
And this
32 GB. So I think the cheapest we have here is this 64GB 1899. This is 2699. 4299. Okay, I think we need to look for the small one. So 1899. Should we just buy it?
That's one.
1899.
I want to buy that. I want that one. So I want to
64 GB.
I like toy. We like toy.
Okay, maybe we can just take it.
I'm on the toy. That's
To-
one.
No, we didn't come to buy it. We just came to buy SD card.
I want toy.
No, we're not buying it. Don't put it yet.
Okay.
Yes.
I want the toy.
No, sorry.
Toy. I want the toy. Mama,
I heard the YouTuber talk about this Mint mobile. I'll put her name up if I remember. I don't know if I should switch to it because this is just $15 per month, and presently my plan is $35 per month and $20 for 10 GB. Okay, what? I'm saying total $45 for the year. Okay, maybe I need to confirm properly if I switch. If
how about that one? How about that one? What's black top?
hmm?
Want that one?
You should just hold that somewhere, or you're moving it.
It's all things.
So guys, I like going to Ross because they usually have like designer dresses. I finally bought that pink dress. I don't know if you guys saw it. I was able to get it at Ross at a discount price. They usually have like designer dresses that are on sale, like on clearance sale. Yeah, this white one, I really liked it because I love white. It's so easy to pair with any other color, but the bead was already coming off, so I was able to get the pink of this particular design, and it was really nice. So that was what I wore to church on Sunday. All right, so thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for the like. Thank you, because we just hit 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you all so much, my amazing subscribers. I love you and I appreciate you all. And if you have not joined this beautiful family, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube to just share this video. It helps this video to be shown to several other people that would love this video. So please just hit that like button. Thank you once again, and have an amazing time. Bye. See you all in my next video. To give a huge shout out to a friend of mine here on YouTube, and her YouTube channel is Bubu Swagger Lifestyle. Please head over to her channel. I'll put it in the description box and take her to 1K, please.